Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the clasp on a small lady's watch. So as you can see, these vintage or even modern watches that come on these bracelets usually have this sliding clasp right here. So what you need to do in order to open it up is going to have a tool just like this one or something else, the spring bar removal tool that you can find within the basic watchmaker toolkit. And I'm going to insert it right here and lift this flap up, this metallic part right here, and now I can slide the clasp up and down just like this. And then in order to finalize the process, we can push it back in, or in case it is very hard, you can also even use the tool once again in order to push it back in. Make sure that the metallic part right here, so the flap, is going to touch the bracelet so that it is very well held together. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to adjust the clasp on these vintage or modern ladies mesh bracelet watches. In case you want to watch even more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you found this video useful. And also guys, check out the basic watchmaker toolkit, link in the description box below. In case you want to purchase vintage watches, make sure to also check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.